The Samsung Galaxy A36 is an appealing choice for those seeking a reliable smartphone with a strong balance of features at an affordable price. One of the key reasons to consider the Galaxy A36 is its impressive display quality. Samsung consistently delivers vibrant and sharp AMOLED screens, making the A36 ideal for streaming, gaming, and browsing with rich color and clarity. In addition, the A36 is powered by a capable processor that handles everyday tasks smoothly, making multitasking and app navigation a breeze without the lag seen in some budget phones. The camera system is another highlight, equipped with high-quality lenses and software optimization to capture clear and detailed photos even in low-light settings, a great feature for those who love snapping photos on the go. Battery life is also solid, designed to easily last a full day of regular use, which means less worrying about frequent recharges. Finally, Samsung's One UI offers a user-friendly and intuitive experience, packed with customizable options and features such as a secure folder, advanced privacy settings, and seamless integration with other Samsung devices. Altogether, the Samsung Galaxy A36 is a strong contender in its price range, offering an impressive array of features for users seeking quality without breaking the bank.